Assalamualaikum. My name is Riyad Molla and I am recently a fifth semester student in the Computer Science and Engineering Department at W University. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video resume. Over the next few minutes, I would like to introduce myself, talk through my academic and technical journey, highlight some key project and experience, and share my goals for the future. Since starting my journey at DIU, I have been deeply interested to how software can solve real-world problems. Through my coursework and self-learning, I have developed a strong foundation in computer science, particularly in areas like data structure, algorithms, and object-oriented programming. This concept has shaped the way I think about problems and how I approach a build efficient solution. Comes to programming language, I began with C and C++, which helped me understand code participles like memory management, pointers, and structured programming. Later, I picked up Python, which I now use frequently for scripting and backend logic. I also worked with JavaScript, and I have been using React for front-end development and Node.js for backend APIs. For database, I primarily use MySQL, and I understand how to design and manage relational database for dynamic application. One of the highlights of my academic experience so far was participating in a programming contest called Algorithm. It was a great opportunity to test my problem solving skill under pressure. The contest challenged to solve logical problems in a short time frame, and it really helps sharpen my analytical things, coding speed, and ability to maintain calm under pressure. Participating in contest like this motivates me to keep improving my skill and learning from others. Apart from contest, I believe that projects are one of the best ways to learn and grow. One of my early meaningful project was a digital stopwatch, which I built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It may sound simple, but the process of building this tools taught me a lot about domain manipulation, time-based logic, event listeners, and handling users' interaction in the browsers. It was a hands-on way to understand how content logic works in the real-time applications. Other project, I am proud of my smart library management system. I designed to help automate the process of managing books in a library, include taking books inventory, issuing and retaining books, and handling users' data. I built it using Python and MySQL, and this project really helped me learn about backend development, database relationships, and creating clean modular code. It is a beginner challenge than the stopwatch, but I enjoyed. Also worked on a smaller collaborative project with classmates, which give me experience in working as a part of a team. Something I really value. I believe communication and teamwork are just as important as a technical skill, especially in professional settings. I am a good listener, open to feedback, and always ready to share ideas and support others when needed. This experience has taught me about to collaborate effectively with others. It's on a coding task and on completing a presentation or a group assignment. Outside of my academic and technical works, I try to stay connected with the broader development community. I follow tech trends and read blogs and watch tutorials on platforms like GitHub and YouTube. I believe that learning is a continuous process and stay updated is a key. Thank you for watching my video resume.